Spend analysis is a critical component of strategic sourcing as it provides organizations with the information they need to make informed decisions about procurement activities and to drive continuous improvement in procurement performance. Spend analysis improves cost control, improves informed decision making, improves supplier performance management, enhances supplier selection, enhances visibility, alignment with organizational goal. Let us discuss them one by one. Spend analysis improves cost control. Spend analysis provides organizations with insights into their procurement spend patterns, enabling them to identify areas where they can reduce costs and optimize their procurement activities. Enhanced supplier selection. Spend analysis helps organizations to understand their current supplier base, enabling them to select the most suitable suppliers for their needs and to negotiate better contracts with those suppliers. Improved supplier performance management. Spend analysis provides organizations with insights into supplier performance, enabling them to monitor supplier performance, address any issues, and drive continuous improvement. Better informed decision making. Spend analysis provides organizations with data-driven insights that inform decision making, enabling them to make informed decisions about procurement activities. Better alignment with organizational goals. Spend analysis helps organizations to align procurement activities with their overall goals and objectives, ensuring that procurement is contributing to the success of the organization. Enhanced visibility. Spend analysis provides organizations with a clear and comprehensive view of their procurement spend, enabling them to better understand and manage procurement activities. By leveraging the benefits of spend analysis, organizations can optimize their procurement activities, improve supplier performance, reduce costs, and achieve their overall business goals and objectives.